Hey guys, this is a testimonial video for Zishan Haider. Zishan has been working with me for the past 4 years. I'm one of those early adopter, go high level users, and I was able to quickly learn the tool and be able to offer it as a SaaS and as a service for my clients, as well as to be able to use Go High Level for my own business, because Go High Level can have a steep learning curve if you don't have an expert that's available to help you. And Zishan is just brilliant when it comes to workflows, landing pages. He's a graphic designer, so he designs beautifully, as well as, the Twilio integrations, the Mailgun integrations. And, what makes Zishan really unique is just his calm demeanor. And he's so enthusiastic to help because it's just his nature. He's so friendly, always available. I'm in California, he's in Pakistan. We have the time zone issue, but I can't tell you how many times he's happily jumped on a Zoom call with me to troubleshoot something that was not working out. And so he is my remote go-to tech guru that I lean on for all things high level, for graphic design, for landing pages. So if you really want to have this secret weapon in your back pocket, you need to be working with Zishan.